After Goa Power Minister Nilesh Kabral challenged Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's model of electricity, Aam Aadmi Party MLA Raghav Chadha on Tuesday will arrive in the coastal state, hoping that the former will let him know the time and venue for the debate. The Aam Aadmi Party leader Chadha have boarded the flight to Goa. Here's what Aam Aadmi Party leader Chadha tweeted on 17th November. I have boarded the flight to Goa. Will be landing shortly. Eagerly look forward to a healthy debate on Kejriwal's electricity model versus BJP's electricity model. I hope Goa Power Minister will not withdraw his public debate challenge despite his party high command's displeasure. On Monday, Goa Power Minister Nilesh Kabral, while briefing media, said that he is ready for a debate with Delhi Power Minister and not with an MLA. Here's what Kabral had said during the press conference on 16th November.
I had very clearly stated in the press which I had given that don't compare Delhi to Goa. I had said that if they want to learn the Goa model, that he is welcome to come. I have been intimidated by through press and through various other social media that I have called for a debate on the medium of power in Goa. I have no issue in debating with the like-minded people and who understands power problems of the state of Delhi or Goa. A person who is a MLA and a vice chairman of a particular jail corporation who is not connected to power at all, I don't seek to debate with him. But I can always say that the Power Minister of Delhi is here, can come and debate with me. However, because there is a contention that he is coming tomorrow, he is welcome to my office to discuss anytime. I will be available till 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the evening in the office. He can walk in my office at the secretariat and ask me his whatever advice he wants, which I can give him on behalf of the government of Goa. The question of debate was never there, but debate is there. If the Honorable Power Minister of Delhi comes with me, anytime I am there for debating, because that is what technically we have to do. I cannot debate on water issues. My Honorable PW Minister will debate on water issues. So the person who has asked for a debate is Vice Chairman of JAL. That is their water supply treatment. That is a different issue. So I am here with anybody who debate on power scenario in Goa, provided that Honorable Chief Minister has made me the Power Minister of Goa, and I will debate with the Power Minister of that state any time they ask me to. I think I have cleared it. No, posters have, see, I had never challenged anybody. I had said it in my press because some काहीतरी लोकांनी त्यांच्या आपाच्या मनशांनी केल्ले की दिल्लीच्या सरकाराकडे गोयच्या सरकारान शिकपाक जाय आणि तांकां जाय जाल्यार आमी तिकेट दिता. सो आमच्या गोयच्या सरकाराकडे पयशे आसा तिकेट वचपाक म्हणून हांवें सांगलेलें आनी तांकां जाय जर गोंयचे आमी कशें पावर करता तर तुमी येवन गोंयचे शिकचें म्हणून सांगलेलें. हांवें डिबेट म्हण केन्ना म्हणूंक ना, पूण आतां जर ते म्हणटा डिबेट जाल्यार पावर मिनिस्टर इज पावर मिनिस्टर, कोण तरी MLA आनी जल वायस चेअरमॅनाचो उलोवपाक म्हणजे ते प्रोटोकॉल आमी सांबाळपाक जाय. So he has asked for government to government level, and you cannot have a debate with somebody who is a vice chairman of jail of Delhi. So I am here to debate with the Power Minister of Delhi. He can come anytime, and he is appointed anytime. Or if he wants me to come to Delhi also, I am ready to come to debate on the power center of Goa. Not somebody who is, because it has to be maintained. Protocol has to be there, no? That I am, my Honorable Chief Minister has made me Power Minister, and I am representing the government. So government has to be represented properly. So Delhi government and Goa government can always debate. There is nothing about it. No, I have not been contacted in the office, but I can always say that through your medium, through paper, through Twitter, to this, I also see social media. So he is saying that he is coming on 17. So I am saying through your medium also that he is please welcome to my office at any time. I will be there till 8 o'clock at night, 9 o'clock at night. He can walk into my office and ask whatever he wants to ask. देखो दिल्ली पावर डिपार्टमेंट जो है ना, चेंजेस बहुत है. दिल्ली पावर डिपार्टमेंट जो है वो हम डिबेट करने के लिए मैं बाद में बोलता हूँ, लेकिन जो है डिपार्टमेंट गोवा का डिपार्टमेंट है, गोवा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट पावर गोवा में रखता है, और जो डिपार्टमेंट है दिल्ली में वो आउटसोर्स किया हुआ है. तो ये पहला फर्क है। तो बहुत 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 कुछ और फर्क है, वो बाद में मैं बात करेगा।
Well, the public debate between Cabral and Chadda will occur or not on 17 November. For that, we'll have to wait and watch. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.